got a.
Just set it over there.
Yeah, he didn't like the way the fuel cell looked like hanging at the back of the car there.
Mm-hmm.
He said, Alex, you know this whole car is going to be shaking and real rigid and all that good stuff?
You said, yeah.
Yeah. He wanted me to weld 2 straps there to make it more sturdy.
Okay.
But, you know, every little thing he tells me is safety.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't been over there to hurt the motor yet, have you?
No.
I got to change the plug. I filed it out, putting regular gas in.
Oh, did you? You got some race fuel in it now?
Yeah. That's all I've been running, but I ran out and I wanted to hear it again. And
Put some regular fuel in it. Yeah, I've got
you don't like that shit.
my transmissions on the way.
What kind?
G-Force GF5R. It's a sequential 5-speed, so you can clutchless, wide open throttle. I'm excited about it.
All right, let's see here.
Alex. And utilities. How thick is that, Alex?
I think it's quarter. It might be,
Okay. Set her on the table somewhere.
on what part?
Yeah, anywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, got me another one.
What's he got?
Smoker 496.
Did you get it from,
He passed away for his wife. The same person I bought the bike.
oh, okay, the Harley?
Yeah.
That didn't take no time. I know what you owe me.
What's that?
Don't send people here for exhaust. That's what you owe me. I don't have, I'm not set up to do it in any timely fashion like you are.
What about somebody who wants custom
Anything else? Custom? Yes.
exhaust?
It has to be stainless.
Yeah, okay.
Has to be
Good,
stainless.
because
If it's not stainless, I'm not interested.
the only one I thought, if you do stainless, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stainless only.
Because
Or titanium.
then also known that there's a Maverick needed the whole thing.
Yep.
But don't worry, they're coming in now. And
Yeah.
it's a Maverick, like a grabber.
Very tailored. It's a race car.
Yeah.
Blue.
I think it's Hips. I don't know his first name.
I was gonna say, there's a blue one around town.
There's 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah.
I done the exhaust on them, but
Yeah.
this guy wanted stainless and he wanted all stainless.
Yeah.
Polished.
Headers, the whole 9.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll do it if you want stainless.
Yeah, man, there's a bunch of people want stainless, but hell, my bender won't.
Yeah. I don't have a way to bend it, but I just buy the manuals and then I'll take it.
Yeah, just like you,
Like a lot of these guys cut mounts and